People talk of minoxidil and they'll say minoxidil works, but then when you introduce them to herbs and plants, they'll start laughing. People, minoxidil was copied from plants. You've been brainwashed. You've been brainwashed to believe that minoxidil, because it's a man-made product and has science behind it in quotes, is good for you. Remember, minoxidil came from plants. It was mimicked from plants. We have plants that are far superior than minoxidil. Eclipta Alba, for instance, has beaten minoxidil several times in many studies. Independent scientists have tested it. It beat minoxidil. You will never hear of Eclipta Alba being promoted, though. You will hear of minoxidil and how it's the best of the best. But minoxidil has a lot of side effects. Too many, too dangerous. Eclipta Alba has no side effects. And yet people will laugh at the Eclipta Alba and say it's some crazy science. But they'll take the minoxidil, which is harmful and hurts you, and praise it and say because that the doctors recommended it's healthy, it's good for you. It's really bad for you, really, really bad. And yet minoxidil does work. It works temporarily. When you stop using it, the gains go. And the side effects are horrendous. Use a product like this, grow hair oil. It has Eclipta Alba in high doses, plus 16 other plants in there, all proven by science to grow hair. There are actual studies on them. And then people will discard this and say, it can be possible. But minoxidil, which the plants in here have beaten, is a valid thing. Don't be brainwashed. Don't let people fool you. When you use a product like this, it takes time, but the results are permanent. They stick. So long as you're healthy, the results stick. I don't want you to get hurt by minoxidil. I'm introducing you to a natural product because natural products do work. They work for the body. They promote better hair growth, and they don't harm you. Okay? So I hope this helped you. I hope this puts you on the right path. If you believe minoxidil does work, imagine what this can do for you. Okay? Don't let the doctors and the scientists fool you. They're trying to sell something. Yes, this is for sale too, but it's natural plants. And hey, if you can go out and buy the 17 plants and do it yourself, go ahead and do it. I'm not here to push something on you that you can't afford. But we go through a lot of effort. We travel to India, we handpick these plants, we bring them to North America, we make them here, and we put them in a bottle for your convenience. If you can do it yourself, go ahead. There's no problem. It doesn't bother me or anybody for that matter. You're buying convenience. You're buying the plants done for you already, the oil done for you in a bottle. But if you can get your own, it doesn't bother me. I would like to see you succeed. I'd like you to be happy. Okay? I would like you to get the hair you deserve. If not, use grow hair oil. That's all I have to say. Hope this helped you.